Hey guys, this is Matthew Sturkey with Stone Mill Log and Timber Homes. Thanks for joining us for more Floor Plan Friday, where this month we talk about the plan of the month, which is the Blueridge design. One of my favorite designs, one of our newer designs. We actually launched this particular plan back in the spring of 2020, and we built our first one that following year. So really good design, works extremely well for lake properties, mountain properties, farm, equestrian type properties. So you could pretty much do this design with any type of property that you have. Just a gorgeous design with a lot of cool features. So let's take a look at some of those. The overall square footage is 2,320 square feet with about 1,472, right around 1,500 on the main floor. Main floor features the master suite, good spacious master bedroom, master bath, walk-in closet connected to a laundry, which I love because this is easy access where you're going to be doing most of your laundry work. And then you've got access from the kitchen as well to the laundry room. There's a really neat little pantry area off the kitchen. And this kitchen area is what we consider a galley kitchen. It's a longer, kind of narrow kitchen design with everything, including the sink, the countertop bar with bar stools facing the great room area. And this one has not really an enclosed dining room, but it has a dining area, and it also has a little breakfast area. So the coolest thing I think about this main floor is this extended outdoor living space with the double-sided fireplace, outswing French doors that go out onto this outdoor living room, and then these covered porches along the sides of the great room. So if you like outdoor living and you want the inside to come out, this is a great plan for you. Everything would be view facing of the mountains or the lake or that pasture you're trying to look at. So a lot of cool features with this particular plan on the main floor. Then you can see the second level features a couple of spare bedrooms, good spacious spare bedrooms, a shared bath, walk-in closets for each of the bedrooms. And then this is a loft/family sitting area, which could serve as a game room, an overflow guest bedroom with a pull-out sofa bed. This could be just an open loft area, could be a library area. There's so many cool things that you could do with this little loft/family sitting area upstairs, which would be perfect for overflow space. So this particular design, again, 2,320 square feet with about 848 on the second floor and about 1,472 and some change on the main floor. So let's take a look at some of the pictures of a finished Blueridge. And I received these a while back from a project that we did in Middle Tennessee. Here's the outdoor porch, living space, outdoor living area with the double-sided fireplace. And again, this is the view side facing, in this particular case, a lake view with an open vaulted timber roof system that extends out over the living room. And then the living area features, again, this island area, the great room space, fireplace. You could have your TV above the fireplace or over to the side, as this particular client did. These double French doors that outswing onto this outdoor living space. This ceiling in the living room or great room is a vaulted timber roof system, so perfect for that comfort and feel that you're trying to achieve in that living room. This is a picture of the other direction, looking from the other side of the kitchen back towards that fireplace. You can see the vaulted timber roof system with these little kick-out dormers for a little extra light in the upper, in the roof system. Timber roof system with tongue and groove ceilings and built-up structural insulation panels for the roof. And then you can see the galley kitchen with the sink on the living room or great room side next to the built-up countertop. And then you've got your kitchen with stove and your refrigerator on the other side with a built-in microwave above. And this is a picture from the other side looking back towards that little breakfast nook, looking out over the loft area. This particular client opened it up over the kitchen area as opposed to having it typically enclosed all the way over the top of the kitchen area. So with our plans, there are starting points, there are concept drawings that you can modify or we can customize specifically for you and what changes you want to make to fit your site and your square footage and design needs. And this is a picture of the outdoor covered porch on the side that wraps around to that open living room extended porch. And then you've got the front or the side that you drive into. You can actually drive into either side. This is actually the entry side on this particular project. You can see the back of the house or the covered living room area is facing view side, which is typically the way you would situate this particular design. So this gives you an idea of what more of the elevations look like. And then if you want to look at our 360 virtual tour on our website, these 360-degree views show the 4 elevations. As you can see, this is the master suite area. You've got your breakfast nook, great room area extended out onto the living room. And as we move around, this is view side. If you're building this on a piece of property with a little bit of slope to it and you want to incorporate a lower level, you could put some garage doors on either side and have a lower level garage, or you could do some lower level finished square footage if you needed a little bit extra space. And then panning around, you can see the kick-out dormers up in the great room roof system, the covered porch on the side. And then this is the side with the master suite. This would be the master closet. And then this is your laundry area. And then upstairs with your guest bedrooms. And then as we move around, you can see the what we call the shed dormer upstairs, which gives you more usable headroom in the upper level guest bedrooms. So hopefully this has been helpful. This is a great plan, tons of cool features, gives you the ability to make whatever changes you need to fit your property and to fit the square footage and design needs that you have. Please check out the Blueridge plan on our website at stonemill.com. You can tour this particular elevation and look at all 4 elevations on our website. If you have any questions about this design or any of other standard designs, please let us know. Hopefully this has been helpful. Thanks for joining us for Floor Plan Friday. We look forward to you joining us for more Floor Plan Friday next month. Till then, take care, stay safe and healthy. We look forward to seeing you next time.